If this happens with a new board, you have to remove this display completely, because the polarity of the wires is reversed for this probe. It's the probe here, and you have to disconnect the wires from the main board and flip it, reinstall it back, and that takes care of the problem. To do this, you have to remove 3 Phillips screws from here, and then this panel comes out. After removing of the control panel, so this is the connection here that goes to the meat probe, and then it also runs right there and here. So you can remove the connectors from here, remove the left, put it on the right one, remove the right, left, put it on the left one, which is this one, and that will take care of the problem once you plug it back in. Or if you pull the unit out more, which is not easy, then you can change the wire from the back instead of doing this, but this is the easiest way. Okay.
Yay!
Yeah, beautiful.